Welcome to the video on how to create a CalCareer account using the State of California's jobs website. Start by going to www.calcareers.ca.gov. On this website, you can take examinations, apply for state vacancies, and maintain your state application. To begin your journey, you will need to create a CalCareer account if you do not already have one. To do this, click on the Create Account /Login button at the top right of the screen. Click on the Create Account button in the box on the left. Once you land on the Create a CalCareer account screen, you will see an asterisk for fields requiring an entry. It is important to make sure you review your contact information to ensure accuracy. Notices will be sent to this contact address. Once you fill out this page, scroll to the bottom and check the box under Account Acknowledgement to certify your new account. Next, simply click on the Create Account button located at the bottom of the form. Please note your Social Security number must be included in order to receive any Veterans Preference points or career credits for which you may qualify. To add your Social Security number, click on the contact information on the left-hand side. Then click on the Change SSN hyperlink on the right-hand side. Enter your Social Security number twice and click Save SSN. Go to the top of the page. Under Account Management, click on CalCareer Account. Additional information on Veterans Preference can be located either under Resources on your My Account page or on the calcareers.ca.gov website landing page. Congratulations! Your CalCareer account has been created. For questions regarding your CalCareers account, please contact CalHR at 866-844-8671 or via email to calcareer@calhr.ca.gov.